preposition by. By preposition is used with time. It means it can be used with time or day or date or week or month or year. When you use by preposition with time, it gives the meaning not later than that time. For example, I will reach home by 6 p.m. It means I will reach home either before 6 p.m. or at 6 p.m. Next, you must complete the work by 5 p.m. It means either before 5 p.m. or at 5 p.m. you must complete the work. Next, we will have completed this project by the end of January 2021. In this sentence, we have used month January 2021 with by preposition. Next, spoken English classes will be completed by Sunday. In this sentence, we have used day Sunday with by preposition. Spoken English classes will be completed by Sunday means it will not be extended thereafter. Next, by preposition is used with method of transport. It can be used with any method of transport like by bus, by train, by flight, by car, by taxi, etc. For example, I am coming by bus. We will go by flight. They came by train. We use by preposition with method of communication. It means it can be used with any method of communication like by phone, by letter, by email, by courier, by fax, etc. For example, we informed him by phone. I have sent all the details by email. The product will be delivered by courier. In these sentences, we have used by with method of communication. Next, by is used with method of payment also. It means it can be used with any method of payment like by cash, by credit card, by debit card, by check, by DD, etc. For example, I will pay by cash. You can pay by credit card or debit card. We have received the payment by check. In this way, by is used with method of payment. By preposition is used with some words like lack, chance, mistake, etc. For example, she won the lottery by luck. I called you by mistake. Meaning of this sentence is, for example, you wanted to call someone, by mistake you called some other person and you regret for the same. Sorry, I called you by mistake. Next, by preposition is used in passive voice. For example, English is taught by me. She was killed by someone last night. In this way, in passive voice, by preposition is used. Next, by preposition is used with reflexive pronouns. It can be used with any reflexive pronoun like by myself, by yourself, by himself, by herself, by ourselves, by themselves. To emphasize an action, by preposition is used with reflexive pronoun. For example, she went to Mumbai by herself. It means without anyone's help, she went to Mumbai. Next, I resolved the issue by myself. In this sentence also, without anyone's help, I only resolved the issue. Next, with preposition. When we use a tool or object to do an action, we use with preposition. Like with a spoon, with a knife, with a screwdriver, with a pen, etc. For example, he eats with a spoon. It means usually he eats with the help of a spoon. Next, I opened the box with a knife. It means I used a knife to open the box. She is writing with a pen. It means she is using a pen to write. Next, I teach English with PowerPoint presentation. It means I teach English with the help of PowerPoint presentation. Preposition is used with the meaning of together. Like with family, with friends, with chores, with clothes, etc. For example, I went to a movie with my friends last night. It means I and my friends together went to a movie. We invite you with your family. It means we invite you and your family together. She likes to eat burger with sauce. It means she likes to eat the combination burger and sauce. I have bought a mobile with Bluetooth headset. It means I have bought a mobile and Bluetooth headset together. With preposition is used to express a person or thing as something else. Like a man with bald head, a man with white hair, or a house with swimming pool, etc. For example, we are looking for a candidate with excellent communication skills. It means we are looking for a candidate who should have excellent communication skills. Next, I saw a girl with blue eyes today. It means I saw a girl today who has blue eyes. Next, I am looking for a house with triple bedrooms. It means I am looking for a house which should have triple bedrooms. We use with preposition to express feelings, like with pleasure, with great sadness, with angry, with fear, with confidence, etc. For example, we invite you with pleasure. She cried with emotion. He shouted with angry. I am writing this letter with great sadness. In this way, to express our feelings, we use with preposition.